All right. So we got the okay. The problem is, my hair's not gonna look like a mullet, chat. This is the same problem Prime is saying. You know what I mean? She's definitely down. It's just like, what is it gonna... You know what I mean? Like, I don't have a lot of 2 years minimum. That's no backpedaling. Go skull it, shaves the top, stringy hair on the bottom. Wig or extensions? We're not doing wig or extensions. I love the reaction. Go for it, but it won't look like a good mullet. That's well, she's worried about disappointing chat. No need for level 42 hype train. You're already balding. Thank you. Exactly. Frosted tips. I mean, we can do something similarly bad as a mullet, right? I didn't ask her about the level 420, chat. You know what I'm saying? A mullet is bad? Well, it's not that bad. Fu Manchu? That would take me forever. Unfortunately, you'll need to go clean shaven, eyebrows included, to grow a mullet. Or blue hair. Blue. Justin Timberlake, super tight finger curls and blonde hair. Can I even have that work? Prime didn't last long on Rust, did he? No, he quit right away. He opened Rust and ended stream. Like literal classic, dude. If you cut the top down size to like 1/4, it'll be pretty moldy. That's kind of what I was thinking. Like, then on 6 months, keep it for 1 more month. Okay. That's pretty reasonable. That's a pretty reasonable deal. I feel like. I do think you're probably right that if we go very short on the sides, it'll still look okay. We'll just do a little bit of research, right? So we're saying, how long does my hair need to be to get a mullet, right? You know what I'm saying? Whoops. At least an inch of hair all around. Well, I've got that going on. I've still got that. Mullet adjacent is fine. To give your hair some time to grow. A minimum length about 2 to 3 inches. Okay, well, this is like... Guys, it can't work yet. Okay, we'll maybe... We can't start a hype train yet. It's still broken. 2 inches seems like a good starting point. Let's make the AI work for us. Show more. The fashion forward than the 1980s version. Hair's back thing only slightly longer than the hair on top. Consult a barber. Any barbers in chat? Any barbers in chat? House of Handsome.
Oh my goodness! I actually died of
Okay,
ligma.
this is like, why is this so delayed? I don't know what's going on. Sure only takes like 2 months. I can be a barber. Understand the... Okay. All right, we're so in. Okay. Understand the mullet. It's essential to understand the mullet's anatomy. Traditionally, a mullet features shorter hair at the front and sides while leaving length at the back. Okay. Okay. Start with an even length. Give your hair some time to grow. Okay. Trim the front and sides. That makes sense. More subtle short mullet to the dramatic tail mullet. Okay. Decide early on what type of mullet you're aiming for. That's what we're doing right now. We're putting in the work. Start up episode 1, growing a mullet. I lost a bet. Depending on the look you're going for, you might want to add some volume or texture to your mullet. Embrace the look. It's a statement. Oh, I'll be embracing it, chat. I'll be embracing it. Book an appointment for a mullet cut. It's a statement. How long for a mullet to grow? It took me about 10 months to go from high and tight to the back or the top of my head shoulders. Well, we don't need to go that far. I mean, this we could already do. Like, this one we can already do. We're not quite ready for this. How far away are we from this, chat? Kind of a lot. A few months, though, I feel like. The Mahomes cut. Patrick Mahomes hair. We can do most of this. It's just not going to be... You know what I'm saying? But it's going to be a little while. So we would have to keep it for longer than the end of the year. The Fortnite special? We want 80s mullets. This is like literally years. You know what it's like? At my age? At my age? Thing John Walters? Stu. That's what we expect. What the... Yeah, not years, more like 8 to 9 months. I don't know. I feel like my hair in the back grows shorter. You ever receding hair or just clear hairline? I was wondering because the whole is rolling Polish joke among streamers. I don't know. Patrick Mahomes was the hair of a YouTube teen's prankster. True. True. Is my hair long enough for a burst fade? Well, that's not what I want. I don't know, chat. Spikes plus mullet plus racing stripes on the side. Literally me in the 80s and 8th grade. Nice. Now we're talking. I do feel like a... Like a 6th month, we do everything we can to get the mullet look going was possible. Mohawk, check out mullet. I don't know what this is. Oh, dude, if I could, yeah, of course, I would give that to you guys as the reward. We're not making there. Just read the WikiHound thing. Yep. Just go shorter in the front and the sides. No. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing that, Stu. That's not what we're doing. No. No, chat. Oh my goodness. We're almost here in the back already. It's just not gonna go back. Second row from the last. That's it. That's the one. Isn't this the preacher's hair come from Vikings? Wait, Teach, are you going to do a mullet? We are, we're determining the possibility of a deal. That's what we're working on right now. This guy's mullet. Oh, man. Business in the front, party in the back. That's a lot of business in the front. What's the deal then? What's our part? So, well, first we're trying to determine, is it even possible? Is it even possible for me to get a mullet? Right? Like in a reasonable time frame. Because what I'd like to do is I'd like to have it for our November event. So I could get it cut just before we go in November, which is like only a month and a half away. Like I have plenty of hair on the top, you know what I'm saying? Like we have plenty of hair up here. But the problem is like I don't have a lot back here. I've cut this short. And keep it till after Christmas. Yeah, I already confirmed with Kayleen. I could keep it till at least the end of the year. How much for the flock of seagulls hair? I don't know if can I even do it? Hair growing cream. We'll ask ChatGPT, does hair growing cream work? Are there any ways to make my hair grow faster? I want to grow a mullet quick. Massage boosts circulation. Avoid heat, harsh treatments. Stay inside. I got it, boys. Consider biotin or hair growth vitamins. Yep. What's up, Big Nose? Sleep, hydration, and reducing stress. Okay. We just need to use just coconut oil. It literally suggested coconut oil. Sleep is harder with a newborn. That's the same as if you said quick tech job. Well, I already did that. Her doing speed will make your hair and nails grow faster, but then you're doing speed. That doesn't seem worth it. I use pumpkin seed oil. I mean, then teacher, halfway there. I know, that's what I'm saying. I'm already doing a lot of these. By the way, I'm a dude. Same advice works for dudes. Just tell the newborn to sleep more. I haven't tried that one yet. Just don't eat the castor beans. Wasn't planning on it. Ask, what if I'm balding? Asking for a friend. My friend is balding. What can he do? 3D ASCII object animations in C? No, I have never done that. By the way, trick to make newborn too long. Yeah, there you go. Oh dear, Rogaine. Hair transplant, permanent option. How much? Has he tried money? It does seem to work. It seems to work for people. LeBron? Like, if we can get LeBron hair change, like, this is what we need. You know what I mean? We could get the mullet ASAP as possible if we had this scenario going on. I'm just saying. Cool gets hair back. Yeah, I know. It seems like a bad trade. Rich, how much does a mullet wig cost? Well, but that's lame. Turkish hairlines. That's funny. Min Bin works wonders, but I talked to a doc first. What did Elon do to fix his hair? Good question. I don't know. I'm not gonna take anything. I'm not gonna take anything to actually change my hair. I will put coconut oil on my hair. That's fine. You know what I mean? Like, I'll do something like that, but I'm not gonna do anything. I don't want to take any chemicals. Okay. Okay, but can we put coconut oil in your hair? Coconut is a chemical. I think it goes on the skin, not the hair. Yeah, it seems pretty hard to do it just one of those. All right, so, but you need to shave all hair first to make oil do the job. I don't think that's going to be an effective strategy by November, chat. But it looks like you need to draw a yellow circle, pick up yourself to get more hair. Everything is chemicals if you think about it. Yeah, you guys know what I mean. All right, so we'll say level 40 hype train, mullet for November event. Oh my goodness, hi puppy. What? Okay, she needs to go potty. I'll be right back. That's her telling me I need to go potty. I'll be right back. All right, so we'll do... we need more puppy. But she wants to go upstairs probably soon. Mullet for November event, plus with Prime. We'll keep at least till end of year. Okay, and we'll do level 40 because Crimson already gave 100. That's funny. That's funny, Ryan. And so we'll get it. Maybe we can do a few. We can try and make the mullet, like, maybe I'll go and get a haircut like a few times to try and make it the best mullet that we can while we still have it. Okay. How's that for a deal? End of year as in next year. No, end of year as in this year. There you go. That's the deal. I think Hype Train's still disabled for 20 minutes. So if you guys are thinking about doing it, don't do it right now. It won't count. I'll keep it. How many subs is that? I have no idea. Prime did it for 42 though, so I'm giving you guys a good deal. Just keep the startup episode 0. Can't stop laughing. Oh, nice. The I'm so fast jokes. Nice. Okay, something must be wrong. Oh, I was on a different.
How would you say your mental focus
I was on a different page.
is?
There we go.
Oh, it's focused.
I was on the wrong page. There we go. There you go. You don't have to. We're gonna write some code in the meantime, though. We're gonna write some code. We're gonna try some stuff out. Okay. Okay, chat. Okay. What I want to try and do is I would like to try and do a Riot ML. But I think that I need to use, it's actually, what is the Surrey one? Surrey framework, right? That's the one. We need Blink, pure OCaml HTTP client for Riot. I think this is the one that we wanted to try and do. No, not this one. What's up, Jake? Trail. This is the one I wanted to try. And we may just have to ask Leo to do a few things for us at some point. I think more curse than a webpack config is a webpack config written in OCaml. No, we don't need to do webpack. We're using Vite. Okay. What are we doing? I want to try and build some websites with OCaml. Okay. We already have some. For example, this website right here, OCaml. What about no build? Well, if I'm going to write OCaml, I'm going to build something, right? So we can just incorporate Vite to package up all of our JavaScript that's generated by OCaml into one thing. It's probably what we want to do. What about Prime React site? We could go back. And we could try and build the React engine again. Go full Reason ML. I'm not a huge fan. I think MLX is nice, actually. Like, Reason ML is fine, but I like ML syntax. I don't really like making things look closer to JavaScript than I have to. So, okay, that would be a perfectly acceptable site for us to work on. But the problem is, I don't think Prime's gonna pay attention. But we could just use it as one that we can try anyways, because the concept's pretty simple. So we could probably go for it. What's MLX? It's this. JSX and OCaml. Right here. So we don't have to use Reason if we don't want to. Okay. That would be a reasonable one, but that does not go first red then green. We need red then green. Last name is so annoying. I know. It's a keyword is the problem. Like, I do think probably we could just like make it transform, but it just makes a lot of stuff kind of like messed up. So OCaml and JS are the same. They are. Yeah. They're exactly the same. Are we going to write it in C? No, we're not going to write it in C. I think OCaml's FP better than Elixir Erlang, but OTP is just so good. OTP is very good. And also Elixir is good in a different way. All right, so we'll just try it, okay? So let's go back. We still have Reactogen site here, right? Okay, we do. Nice. Oh, right, we got sidetracked writing an ORM, basically. What do I like better or worse about each? I like Elixir's... he had to say that last part, so I didn't unsub. Well, I mean, I still like Elixir. I think Elixir, it has much better maturity, and thus allows you to iterate a lot faster on lots of different like aspects. And the way the ecosystem is tied together is really nice. Things I don't like, it doesn't have types like OCaml. But why not Erlang? Yeah, Gleam is cool. Okay. 1/8 the age of OCaml, but 8 1 the maturity. Yeah. TJ, you remind me of my bully in college. Where'd you go? Okay. Dune project. Actually, I think we're gonna we'll probably instead let's just we can make a new thing with Vite again. So okay, so let's go bun create Vite. Is that what I did last time? Is this how I make one with bun? Project name. Actually, before we do this, let's go move Reactogen to old Reactogen. Classic. Bun create Vite Reactogen. Unfortunately, React. That's what we're going to do it for now. Now, the question is, are we going to do it with TypeScript? What is SWC? Who can tell me what these things mean? We've been playing catch up now because they finally wait a minute. We want developers not hate working in the language. That's literally what happened. SWC is another bundler. Why would I need more bundlers? Because last time I was just going to use JavaScript, but we can try it with TypeScript. I'm willing to give it a go. We can always just rip it out later. Yeah, it's a Rust-based one. SWC is just the one that's optimized for Next.js. Well, we don't need that one. We're not really going to do very much TypeScript. Pretty much all of it's going to be JavaScript. In that Webpack, you would use SWC or Webpack to process JavaScript. But doesn't Vite do it? Does Vite do Webpack? I didn't do either of these before. What would we need for this? Like, why do I need SWC if I have Vite? I mean, we can try it. It just seems kind of annoying. Preact for it to be lightweight. I actually don't know if that's going to work, though, Crimson. Right, so can't I just do TypeScript like this? Ryan, that is what I'm saying, dude. That's exactly what I'm saying, Ryan. I don't know what's happening. SWC seems based. Okay, we'll do just TypeScript, okay? CD Reactogen. Bun install. Bun run dev. Okay, nice. Bun run dev. Okay. Whoops. Sweet. Counting. We got him, boys. Okay? Wasm. All right, so next up, chat, we need to do a few items. We go bun, is it add? Vite plugin Melange. We'll try this again. Okay. Vite config. What did we do inside of here? Melange plugin. Where is Dylan? Do I need to restart this, really? This doesn't have, like, hot reload to find this? Import Melange plugin from here. It definitely is installed. Do I need to do bun install? Create Melange app. I know, but we're going to do something kind of different, though, so I'm not going to do it with that way. Cannot find Melange. Oh, do I need to do bun add types? Vite plugin? Melange. This is why. Oh, because we need to do it this way. LSP restart? I don't know. Cannot find Vite plugin on card. Well, I don't know what to do about that then, huh? How am I supposed to... Like, already I hate this. You know what I'm saying? Already I hate this. We just move this back to JS. Okay? We move it back to JS. Problem solved. Doesn't matter. Time to swap to Leptos. Let's go ahead and we'll just do Dune build, and we'll do Dune build -w. That's fine for now. Probably at Melange is better, and Dune build at Melange here. Both of these would be better. So then we need to go Dune project, and we'll copy what we had from this Dune project here. Reactogen. Reactogen.ml. Okay. Use Melange, dialect MLX. Yep. Blah, 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 blah. Not the Primogen. Reactogen is a site for Prime. He won't use it. Okay. That's fine. It's a website for Prime. I said that already. Dude, I'm playing MLX, blah, blah, MLX, OCaml, MLX, OCaml format, OCaml LSP server. Riot, and then I also wanted to try Suri and Trail. Dune package lock. Must have the same name as project. Oh. Reactogen. What's the purpose of the site? To test OCaml. JStock with extra steps. What's the purpose of the... wait, what? TS is shameful for nothing. Yeah. This... We're doing many languages right now. Okay. So, npm run dev. Nice. This is building. Now it's going to take a while. We go source and we put Dune here. So what did we do last time for inside of source? Oh, actually, no. We put this Dune here. Top shelf. No. What was I just trying? What was I just building? I forgot what it was called. I thought I was just trying something here. MLX. I don't think it was just called MLX. I literally forgot what I was making. Oh, I was trying it in here. Right. Okay, nice. Dist. Libraries. We need Reactogen. Actually, this probably should be reactogen.client or something like this. So we'll need to do reactogen.client, something like this. Promote until clean, process this. Okay. Reactogen. No. It's not the project I was doing. I was testing out some other ideas. Dune build. Let's try this. Oh, and then we need to go here, and in our Vite config, we need to say emit dir. I want to say dist. Build target is just, I think, dot. Dist. Something like this, I think. I think that will work. We'll have to test it. Notice any performance in Ghosty and Western? I haven't really, not a huge one. So let's go to here, and we need to go to, when we're in source, we have a new Dune file like this. We go here. Oh, no, wrong file. we go to here and we say Dune. Melange. Emit. I forgot as well. Top shelf. FN. Dune. Inside of source, we'll go here and we say Dune, and then this should be Reactogen. We don't need that library right now, and let's just go like, I don't know, test ML. Print, let's print and line hello world. Okay, so Dune build. Let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. The boot dev course is really good. Just finished everyone. Nice. Nice. I'm really glad to hear that. That's great to hear. Okay, so now we should have a file dist, and then we should have source, and then there we go. So that's our JavaScript, okay? What's the course about? Learning memory management with C. It's live on BootDev right now. Today. Okay, nice. So you guys see this, chat? Right? Hello world. Wow. I do this. We could run this with, I think now if I do npm run dev here, this will just update. Wow. Right? And then I say, okay. Right? We update this. Okay. Right? Wow. Okay. Everyone following? So that's OCaml to JavaScript. Okay. I can't afford a boot.dev course. Crimson. If that was even remotely close, I would be mad at you for gifting subs, okay? You guys better not be doing anything dumb. But I really do appreciate when you gift them, though. It could be after the 100 gifties, he lost everything. That could be true. Okay. Trying another one. Yeah. The other thing we should do is let's go here, actually, and let's just quit out of this so that we can have this run on 5173. Okay, great. Heads on my house. Okay, so now we can do something like this. Let default is yeah. Right? Stupid allowance is now used up. Yeah. Still an unpaid / not compensated mod, by the way. True. Okay, so then what I wanted to try is let's go ahead and go to source and let's go to app tsx, which I don't really want to do, I don't think. Maybe I don't even want this to be TypeScript. Because, like, how am I even going to get TypeScript out of this thing? Right? But it's like, okay, so we're here. Main TSX. Import. Can I do dist? Is this going to work? Will it let me import from above here? That just seems like such a bad idea. Doesn't it? Okay, it prints. It just doesn't know what to do. Right? Could not find a declaration for this as an implicit any type. Can I just say as any? At TS ignore. We just hit it with the at TS ignore. Solved. So then it's like, okay, maybe this one should just be JSX, right? If I change this to just be like, hey, I want this to be JSX, yes. Error failed to locate main TSX. Main TSX. I just go here and I just do this, right? And it got confused on the reload, but maybe it's fine now. We go to main JSX here. Oops. Main.jsx. Okay, nice. Oh, right. We can't include exclamations because that's fake JavaScript. Nice. Yeah. New. So I hit this and we get... Maybe I need to run this again. Yeah. New. Old. Okay, so Vite doesn't know about this. Oh, because it's not in the same folder because it's in dist. I need to tell it to reload. I need to tell it to where to look for files, right? There must be some spot where I tell it where assets include. I don't know. Not sure about Doom build bird being dist. I think build visitors when you can't run Vite build. Okay, could be. Is web dev painful? I don't know. Sometimes, yeah. So we can also do this a slightly different way. We can put it into the source folder. That's also fine. Maybe we'll just do that instead. And we'll go to here and we'll put this here and we'll go like this. And then we delete dist like this. And we go here and we say source. And then we can say that this should still be dist. So say here. I think that will probably be fine. Oh, what did I put inside of here? Oh, yeah. Whoops. So this is emitter is source and build target is dist. All right, so now it's not module test is used in several stanzas. Maybe we don't even need this. Dune build W. Let's try this. We go test here. We have reactogen, which we don't need. We don't need, maybe? Because it's going to be there already. Okay, let's go here for 1 sec, chat. Dune. Yep, so that one's fine. We go to source. Let's go ahead and delete this for a sec. Dune build. Let's try this and see what we have here. I just moved around. How many kidneys are... How long to set up the project? Well, I'm trying some different options. I don't understand. npm run dev. We can try it here. We'll see what happens now. Import test. Yeah, okay, so that makes sense. We go back to main JSX. Oh, and we should go to git ignore. Top shelf. Why doesn't it have build? Okay, that makes sense. It wasn't even... okay, so now we go back to here, and then instead of doing this, we'll just go like this, right? And then that should work. Yeah. Old. Now we go to test ML, and we say new. We save. It didn't page reload source test.js, but it doesn't. Maybe it's just because it's like some weird. It's not actually like a component or anything. I have no idea like when it should reload or not. It says that it reloaded test.js, but that just didn't reload this. Server.watch in Vite config. Watch options. I don't know what always stat. I don't know which one I'm supposed to do for these. Like, what is the default for this? Indicates whether the project can continue to run as long as files are being watched. It's the default. Ignore initial. Follow sim links. Current working directory. Path can be derived. How do you open all available options inside the object? What do you mean? Use FF's events. Always stat. Okay, so it should say new, I think, when we're done here. New. Let's go back to our main, our test ML, and we say something here. I don't know if that's supposed to force a page refresh, though. You know what I mean? Because it happens like in a weird spot. So let's try and do something different. Let's try and do something different. Let's go to our test here, and let's go like let's at React component make, and then let's just we need to go comp.mlx. Okay, we'll go here, and then let's say like div open React string hello world div, and then let's go let default is make. So then we need to go to here, and then when we have this, get what? Yeah. So this is some of the stuff that I don't remember offhand how I'm supposed to do. Dune. Right. So libraries, reason, React, and then we also want to do reason, React, PPX here, like this. Okay, so let's try that. Goodbye to my Monday evening. Thanks. It's awesome. How do you open all? Mine is set to Control X, Control. Well, I just do the LSP one, so Control X, Control O to get all of them. Okay, so now for my main JSX, I want to say something like import comp from dist source comp.js, right? And then I want to put something here like comp. I'll just remove app, get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this, right? Hello world. Okay, cool. So we go back to comp MLX here, and we say hello world. Why did that not HMR? It says HMR updates, right? But it sure doesn't seem like it's doing that. Anybody? Ignores dist. Oh, interesting. So should I call it something besides dist? We can do that. Let's go to. We'll delete dist here. We'll go to here, and then instead of saying dist, we'll just say mel. We'd say generated. Gen is fine. Okay. And then we'll go to here, and we'll go vite-config.js, and then instead of dist, we'll say gen. So then that should build. Okay, and when we refresh after this is running, import source comp from, oh right, it's not in dist anymore, main JSX. This is gen source comp.js, right? Refresh this. Okay. Maybe we just try and refresh this again. Mullet / Mullet? Mullet? Failed to import resolving comp.js. What? Gen? Okay. Yeah, that does not seem like it worked. Dune build. Okay, we'll try this again. Okay, nice. npm run dev. We'll try that. Yet, I mean, I don't know. I don't know if Hype Train is back online or not. But the deal stands. The deal stands. I will do it. My parents will laugh at me. But there you go. I'll keep at least till the end of the year, maybe longer, for solidarity for Prime. All right. So we go to test ML. Comp MLX here. And then we say unbound module Melange. That doesn't seem right. Goodbye, world. And there we go, chat. Now we got it. Okay, so it is because dist is automatically. It would have taken me forever to have guessed that. Goodbye, world. Hi, world. Sweet. Okay, cool. Red, green, company directive. Exactly. Oops. First try every time, chat. You're at the factory and iGreeting service. We'll come back to that at some other random Thursday with Prime. Okay, so now what we need to do is get old Reactogen. I don't remember what we did in this at all. But definitely want to copy a few of these ideas out. I'm not sure exactly what we'll do. On-screen celebration. Kiapa. Kiapa. All right, so... yeah. All right, let's see if we can just build... But I almost need to do this like the reverse way then. I think we're doing something not quite right at the moment here. Because we want to do something where we don't actually have Vite be the one that is running this, right? Like instead we want OCaml to be the one that's running it. Because I want to make a server here. So we need to go public. This is node modules, dune.log. Okay, so that's all good. So we need to do something like this where we say, we could just make a server folder or something. Right, so we go like server. And inside of here we put a Dune file. And in here we put some new library. And we can just say like, name... we can say reactogen.server. I think I can make the name that. I think that'll be fine. And then we can say, I don't know, server.ml, something like this. And then we just say, let's go like let's print and line yeah. I don't know, something. Sure, that's fine. Dune build. Okay. Reactogen.server, an invalid library name. Okay. That's fine. Reactogen server. Will that work? Okay. And then I want to do like bin. And we can do another Dune file here. I always forget what this is. Executable. Name. And let's just say server. And we'll say libraries, Reactogen server, like this. I don't really know. We go now to here. We can say modules, server ML. And then we can go Reactogen server dot... Well, I don't remember what I called it. Server. Oh, let's go. Let's, I don't know. Serve. Is this? Serve. Dune build. Unbound. Oh, dot server dot serve. Got it. Okay, right. That makes sense because I called this in the server module. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. Low-key hoping we get to some polybridge action. We might be able to do a little bit of polybridge action here. Server. Is that what I called it? Is that the name? I don't remember what I called it. I think I need to go name. Do I need to say public name? I don't know. We can try that. Is that? Yeah, something. We're in, boys. We are in. Guilfoyle AI, what are we doing? We're trying to make a site with OCaml stuff, but mostly just for learning about some OCaml shenanigans for this. I'm not necessarily thinking this will do anything real. So now what I'm kind of wondering is like, okay, is there a way to incrementally run Vite to just build the JavaScript bundle, but not serve anything? Because I think that's actually what I want. How to configure Vite to incrementally build a JavaScript bundle, but not serve any content. I think that's because I actually want to run the server in OCaml, right? Vite build watch. Okay, so let's try this, right? So we go Vite and bun. Is it bun run? Vite bun exec bun x Vite build watch. Right? Okay, so now we have this JavaScript file here, right? So we should be able to do something where we had like our component MLX here where we said hi world. We can say hi, like hello, and then that should rebuild. I can't tell if that rebuilt or not. Right? Oh, no, it's not going to right now because I don't have Dune build running. So it should notice that there's a difference, right? And then update these. Okay. Oh, interesting. It doesn't like this because I also have the Vite thing. I have the Vite plugin going. Running Dune has locked this. Okay. Got it. We can fix this. So I actually just don't want to do this. I'll just go exit 0. And for this, we can just go sleep a long time. Are they just going to fight each other? They're not, right? Okay, they just take a little bit to do this. We say goodbye. Nice. And that rebuilds. And then this. Okay. But I don't think I think we should probably do it so that Dune ignores dist as well. Can I write it like this? So when this updates here, we say goodbye world. That should update once, but this should do nothing. Nice. Very cool. Okay. So now I don't think we need to do anything when the JavaScript changes. So watching Medium Prime the other day, you mentioned changing nvim lsp tab under control Y for mapping setup for all those functions. Dot files. You can check it in there. It's in my completion one, custom completion right here. But it's mostly just this. Control N, Control P, Control Y. Yeah. Okay, so that's like kind of working. So then the next question would be, all right, so we have this. What we want to do is we want to serve some JavaScript. Gross. What does this even look like, though? So we have something like... maybe this isn't even right, because this is just a big JavaScript garbage, right? Goodbye world, right? So this is here. How could I even load this? You know what I mean? Like, how can I even, I don't even know what I would do to interact with this. It's like, maybe I should be just doing, maybe I don't want to be bundling with Vite as we go, but I do want to be just accessing things directly, right? So here's what I'm trying to say. Let's go to here and let's do something simple. Let's do something simple here where we try and run something like this. Open trail, open router. Okay, so I don't know if this will actually work or not, but we can try this. Is there an example? Almost had a heart attack. All right, so let's try this. Let's go to bin. Let's just try, well, let's go to here. Open Riot. Okay, so we need to go here. All right, why did this, what's going on? Why did it not play anything? Why did it stop the music but not doing it? Are you showing your mustachios? Yeah, I am. Three, hey, thank you for the, thanks for the tier 1. Appreciate that. We want 80s. Oh, I forgot that was still pinned. Yeah. No, we want to go to server and let's go here to Dune. We can go libraries and then we can say Riot Trail. And I think server get unexpected. Okay. Yep. I don't know what's going on. Why did this do
Just
nothing?
going inverted, like
Oh, Stu's thing from forever ago.
getting those
Apparently.
huge airs and just having a blast. You
Why is that so scuffed sounding? Here, we'll try to go back to
properly
it.
tail recursive, like
I don't know.
Vite-OCaml
It's
is
weird.
actually my favorite.
Okay, we need to put this here. So now this will build queue issue. I don't know. I have some, but I don't know. I've never had it before where like it doesn't play correctly. Do you think the oven will get funny because it's who I see? That's pretty funny. You played my 100 earlier when you went away. Oh, really? That's funny. Yeah, something's not right about that, obviously. Okay, so it says I have a bunch of notifications waiting. I think I'm just going to kill the server and we'll just restart it here really quick. And then later, maybe that will work just fine. I don't know. So what happens now when we do something like Dune exec and we say server? Yeah, something. Okay. But this is... trail list. Okay, but then what am I supposed to do with this? It's not, there's no example here. What is trail supposed to, what does trail have here? Use args, module, router, handler, con make, con switch, some switch, upgrade switch. I don't know. Open trail, Lang, OCaml. Event here, int f component. This isn't telling me anything. Because I'm not sure how I'm supposed to actually, like, I see that obviously this is an example. Thanks. This doesn't really help me. I think this is a different trail probably. Because this is the one that I'm already looking at, but then I get this thing, but then I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do with it. Use, type args, model C, indef with type args, no handler, adapter, pipeline, socket, rec. I don't know. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that now. Maybe I missed it in the README. Beep, boop, beep, 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 boop. Don't know. Don't know. Create a tail, you use this index trail. Yep. And then each function takes a connection object and arbitrary context produces a connection object. Yep. Okay. I get that. Frame test. What are we up to now? I'm trying to start a OCaml like inactive. Oh my goodness. Okay. What happened to my tunes? Weird. It's just quiet, I guess. Da Vinci Dev, welcome.
How would you say your mental focus is?
Oh, it's focused, boys.
Oh, it's focused.
Oh, it's focused. Frame serialize here. Test belong with other message. No, neither of those really. I thought I tried this at some point. Yeah, so I get that I now have a trail list, sure. Router, no. Trail. Where would these even come from? Trail, yeah. Trail also comes for Riot. Trail start link. Got it. Nice. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Start link. And this should be port 8080, and we can say endpoint. Yeah, that sounds good. I need to actually like start this like Riot. This is the word I always forget, so. I have a question setting my admin autocomplete. Whenever I call auto suggestion with control space, I need to press it double times. How could I trace why that's happening? You could see what's mapped to control space. I don't know. My phone got stolen today? Oh, that sucks. Any, like... Dang, that stinks, though. Like, any way you can find out what's going on is... People are still stealing phones? Seems kind of stupid, does it not? Like, what is the point of stealing phones? Can't you just, like, get it immediately back? These days? Like, before... Trail, start, link... I don't need any of the rest of this stuff, though, for now. Information, selling overseas for parts? I guess, yeah. It just seems crazy. Byte string T was an expression Riot byte string T. Server ML. What is going on? I think I'm just going to restart this. Okay. Dune exec server. This won't work right now, I don't think, so that's fine. We go to server ML here. Maybe two things behind control space. People ride past when and steal them when you're walking a lot. Weird. They're saying he was the rep for equipment stores, so people turn laptops back into them, and then he would then put them on. Dang, that's crazy. What's up, Nishal? I was expecting byte string T, but I expect to type Riot byte string T. We'll just drop this one for right now. I don't even need this. Send response. Riot byte string of string. Okay. Start link. Trail. Well, then why did it say that it would work? Start link. Well, that doesn't exist. That doesn't exist. That's just not real. Or is it real? No. That's just not real. Nice. I've been tricked. I've been tricked. Okay. Start link? Start linked? I'll ask Leandro. Yo, I was trying to use trail, but I can't figure out how. Why is 1 month sub back to the muted speaker? Watch what happens if you've been sub for longer than a year. It says use start link, but it doesn't exist. Okay, so the other option would be we can do something like spawn, I think. And we can try and just do something here, which is like trail dot. You're like, what is going on? That's scuffed for you guys too, right? It's something with my actual like. That's so weird. Huh. I don't know why that is. Yeah, I don't know why. That's so weird. Handler. Handler. Adapter, pipeline, socket, use, type, args, init. No brainer. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. That's never happened before today. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do to actually like get that started, which is a shame because I wanted to try out this idea here. Did I try this before in okay, let's see. CD get subbed. Trail. Okay. Open trail, open router in trail, which is a trail list. Okay, so then where did we use this? Let handler nomad. How many random things is Leo gonna make me install? That's the real question. Okay, sure. Okay, sure. So we use nomad. Nomad, trail, and then nomad start. Okay. Sure. I will give it a go just for Leo. Mr. Leandro, please though. Why do I have to install 35 of these? Let's just put them in one big package. Okay. So then I want to do nomad dot start link port 8080 endpoint, something like this, I think. Can your dependencies have dependencies? Yeah, it's not. That's not the problem. The problem is like, I don't know which of these I'm supposed to do. Like this one's supposed to. I didn't know that this one's supposed to have nomad. I'm mad instead of nomad. Exactly. Perspective trail list, but has an expression type unit. Server ML. Handler, nomad handler T unit. Oh, what did I do? What did I do for the other one? Nomad trail, got it. Let handler equals nomad dot trail endpoint here. Handler. Oh, I also need to do this. Okay. Got it. What does this return? It should return a PID, right? Oh, it's not supposed to return anything? Oh, it's not supposed to return anything. Okay. What did I do with it before? Oh, right. We can do this strategy, which I liked better anyways. Did you need something, honey? Okay. Okay. Let's try this one instead. Riot start. I do like this one better. Start, and then we'll do apps. And we can say module, and let's go whatever, we'll just do first one. Module first one. Right, so it's let's start. What did I do here? I think it's something like this then. Modules do not match. Okay, PID. Signature chat. Modules do not match. Val start is not included. Start unit. PID T is not included in. How is it not, though? Oh, it needs to return. Oh, I think I can just do this. It needs to return. Okay, PID. I needed to return the result itself, which makes sense, I think. Start workers in unit with respect to type units. Oh, do I have to actually pass? Ah. What is up with my LSP right now? What is going on? Why am I not getting an error here? Yeah, something. Okay, so now if I go to localhost 8080, do I get something here? /API/version. Okay, nice. There we go, chat. There we go. Okay, so I can do get, and we can return. Okay, if I go back to here, we get This doesn't reload, right? Because I don't have it on watch. There we go. Nice. Nice, chat. Okay. Nice. So now the question would be, okay, I have this file here, right? I want to do something like return. I want to render the same React app thing that I was gonna render otherwise, right? But maybe we'll come back to this tomorrow, because I did say that I would play some Polybridge. Speaking of shilling, did you guys know you can go to terminal.shop right now and you can purchase some artisan blend coffee while supplies last?